Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my daily vlogs. It's Monday again, it's 7:27, even though I was supposed to leave, well, at least 27 minutes ago, but probably even more than that. At this moment, that doesn't help. What can I tell you? Oh, GoPro is standing on a mount. I don't know how well that mount is gonna hold on to the car, to the dash, because it's the same one from the Elantra. I was able to remove the ones from the inside. So I have two mounts and GoPro is on the mount, and amazing. That's all I wanted to say. And hopefully you have a nice view. Everyone is already annoying on the road, even though it's only 7:30. Usually that happens at about 8:30. Well, I'm gonna get some food because otherwise I won't be able to function today. And I'm gonna continue filming. I'm on Young and Steels. Whoever knows, they understand. Whoever doesn't, they don't. But isn't that all the time? I don't know, I guess it's a pretty busy intersection. I worked at a Staples here when I went to high school. How cool is that? Yeah, it's 7:36. There's some pretty heavy traffic already. Morning, everyone. Don't ever drink anything while you're driving. Always keep both of your hands on your steering wheel. That's the only tip I can give you at the moment. Doesn't matter what you see other people do. Think for yourself. It's supposed to be a very hot day today and tomorrow. It's already 18 degrees at 7:37. Let's see how high it's gonna get today. The first ever vlog is a little bit in a red zone today because, well, it's supposed to come out today, May 30th, but I haven't saved it yet, so it's still in editing. Like, I've edited it, not until completion, but I haven't saved it, so it's not like prepared for posting all the way. That's something I'm gonna be doing after I'm gonna finish filming this vlog. Well, I'll check in with you guys later. Hello everyone, it's me again. It's 8:13 already. There, how about that? A little more light, or at least it feels like it. The GoPro mount comes out with the GoPro. The mount doesn't want to disattach from the housing of the GoPro that kind of binds to it. That's all I can say. I think it's going to be the busiest summer on the streets in the last 2-3 years. Two for sure. In the last 2 summers. So the summer before and the summer before that. I think we're less busy than this one will be. Because way more people are gonna go somewhere. That's all the updates until right now. Even though I don't think I said any updates. Yeah. Lol. GoPro mount didn't hold. It's only 19 degrees, so it didn't change much from the last time I was checking. There's a huge lineup, unlike there was on Sunday and Saturday. Here, check out. Let's film like this a little bit. Let's see, what can you see? You can see a Lexus IS 300, yeah? Nice. And it's all-wheel drive. One of the cars that you can still get rear-wheel drive, and it's not, well, and it's Japanese, so it should be alright. It was a competitor of Genesis. When I was choosing Genesis, I looked into IS 350 or 300 and Infinity Q50 to infinity and beyond. Oh, check out that car. Oh, now it's stuck to the speaker. The mount sticks. Nice, very wonderful. Well, the GoPro sticks to the speaker mount. I don't know how good for the speaker that is. Well, time will show. And I don't think it's fully straight. I just put it there temporarily. It wasn't any long-term placement. The IS 300 wants to switch lanes. Wow. It's very heavy traffic at 8:18. Unlike yesterday, almost the whole day or almost the whole time I was driving, and at 8:18 the same. Write down in the comments if you think that the traffic is going to clear up a little bit in an hour or two. At 9, well, at 9 maybe it won't, so in 2 hours, at 10:19, and I will let you know at that time. I'm guessing that it will clear up in 2 hours a little bit, but you never know. Okay, I'm gonna continue going about my day, and I will tune in later. Hello everyone, I'm back.
Teach you a couple things like doing it big, body language like speaking Spanglish. I'll educate you how to.
Sounds nice.
Teach your mind.
One moment, let me Shazam that song.
We are so real, I never got them.
Okay, so it's 9:28 now, and it's already 20 degrees. So temperature didn't really change since I started filming. But everyone is saying that it's supposed to be 30 degrees today. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to get into environment where there's AC before it gets to 30. Let's see. I think this is brighter now. Peace and quietness, that's what everyone is going for when everything is hectic and loud. I have very little battery left on the GoPro, so I'm gonna turn it off so I can record more as the day goes by, because I can either record a lot right now and then it's gonna die, or I can tune in hour after hour and film little by little, which I want to do. So I'll tune in later, and I'll see you guys then. And the streets are, well, I didn't drive a lot enough, and it's only 1 hour that passed to check if it got any less or more busy, but so I'm still looking for that, and I'll keep you guys updated. So see you later, alligator. Hello everyone, I'm still here. The day is still going by. It's 10:30 already. Yeah, and the temperature went up to 23 degrees already. And my car has 1,000 kilometer mileage. Congratulations on your first 1,000, Hyundai. Nice and warm. It looks like a beach day. A very nice beach day. No clouds. Well, maybe there a little bit, but that's nothing. It's probably going to be a very, very sunny and humid day. I think they issued a heat weather alert for today. Well, those are the updates. 1,000 kilometers, 23 degrees. What else was there? Well, 10:30 a.m. Still Monday. Okay guys, so like always I'm gonna continue about my day and I will see you guys later. It's 11:19 already. It got up to 25 degrees. And it's starting to feel humid already. I'm just a little bit more done with this day than I was last time I tuned in an hour ago. And this is how it's going so far. Ioniq 5 electric from New Jersey. Different. The design is different. Minimalistic. That's how I would describe it, that's for sure. So currently, if you want to get a hybrid, like Ioniq or any other, like a Tucson hybrid or a Lantra hybrid, because you can get a Lantra hybrid, you have to wait a year. So you can go into the dealership right now, sign up the papers, probably leave a deposit, and in a year it will arrive. Wonderful. Wonderful. Hello everyone. The day is still going. It's 12:48 and it warmed up to 30 degrees Celsius. Pretty warm, huh? Yeah, I just wanted to tune in, say how everything's going, that it's getting really warm, really, like I said, a beach day. Very sunny, very hot and humid. So I'm standing under the shadow of a tree for some coolness and with AC on. The GoPro is dying. I don't know, there will probably be enough charge for one more video to film, or like, I don't know, like 2-3 minutes max, which I will leave for a bit later. So I'll see you guys later. Hello everyone, tuning in. My day is still going well. It's still 30 degrees outside. Here, I wanted to show you. 30 degrees. Monday, May 30th. It feels like Canary Islands outside during the summer. Well, don't know what else to add. Just wanted to show around. I'm not gonna whine yet that I want to go home. It's only Monday, even though that might be true. It's a beautiful scene, a nicely painted, well, a Mazda 2, I think, in a nice lime green color. A Chevy Cruze that didn't park properly, and a Lexus IS250 in the back there behind the green lime color Mazda 2 that didn't park properly. Beauty, beauty. This style of parking is called I'm in a hurry, or I'm in... I just noticed that in the Elantra, in the regular design of the cluster, where the tachometer and speedometer is, when the gasoline gets below a certain percentage, it becomes different color. Usually it's blue, just like everything else. Like, and right now, because it's low, it's orange. I don't know if you can see it. See this? Orange. Pretty cool. I'm assuming when it's gonna be below 50 kilometers, it's 75 right now, it's probably gonna get closer in color to red. let's see how far I'm gonna test it out. I'm finished work now. I'm going home. It's 2:53, so almost 3 p.m. It's really hot, 31 degrees Celsius, and the GoPro is dying. It has like 5%. It's probably gonna die in a minute, so I'm gonna call it a video. I'm gonna go edit and do a lot of other stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay put for the new content. Bye guys.